Gauge is sometimes a preferred spacing method where multiple courses of full planks may sag slightly if not checked for accuracy along the entire span. The Malco facing gauge is made of tough, weather-resistant nylon and is more accurate and easier to use than homemade preacher blocks. The Malco facing gauge is adjustable for 5, 6, 7, or 8-inch exposures. A gauge block easily snaps into the desired position without the use of tools or fasteners. And the Malco facing gauge can be held with one hand while steadying a new plank for nailing. Gradually working this gauge across the length of the plank assures accuracy of the siding exposure.